Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to read Facebook Messenger messages without being seen. It's super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the Messenger app on our phone. Here you need to click on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you will be routed to this page. Now I need you to click Settings and click on Privacy and Safety. Here I need you to scroll down until you see What People See, and under that you will be able to see Read Receipt. Click on that. And you just need to toggle it off, and then that's it. That's how you read Facebook Messenger messages without being seen. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!